Hey, YouTubers, struggling to get your videos noticed? Here's the truth. Your thumbnail is the first impression your video makes, and a stunning thumbnail can skyrocket your views. Don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. Meet Somu, a top-graded thumbnail designer on Fiverr. Whether you're running a gaming channel, a beauty vlog, or a tech review series, Somu creates clean, vibrant, and attention-grabbing thumbnails that stand out. Here's why I recommend Somu. First is the affordable pricing for top-notch designs, fast delivery when you're in a hurry, custom designs tailored to your channel, over 7,000 glowing reviews, and thousands of completed orders. Getting started is easy. Click the link in the description, head to Somu's Fiverr profile, and share your video details. In no time, you'll have a professional thumbnail ready to drive traffic to your videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Perfect Picks, and hit the bell for more amazing tips. Um, hey, thanks for watching.